Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create this easy everyday look using the Jeffree Star Alien palette. I have already primed my eyes with concealer and translucent powder. Now I am starting with the color Gravity on a big fluffy brush. This one is the Sigma E35. I am blending this shade into my crease, but because I have hooded eyes, I always go a little bit above my crease so that I can see the color when my eye is open. Next, I am taking the color Phone Home on the same brush and placing it on my outer corner. I am using tapping motions for placing the shadow exactly where I want it, and then I am blending over the edges with small motions. Now I am taking the same color on a Sigma E25 and putting it on my lower lash line. For my liner, I am taking the color Space Cowboy on an angled brush. I have wet the brush with a little bit of setting spray because the shadow is kind of a duochrome metallic. When the shadow is wet, it appears almost black, but when it dries down, you can see the brown and golden reflects. I like to draw a little wing to elongate and lift my eye. Now I am going to clean up the fallout I had. I am also going to apply my favorite Lash Paradise mascara, and I'll be right back. The last step is to highlight my inner corner. The brush I am using is the Morphe M213 and I am taking the shade Pluto. I like to place the color a little bit closer to the nose because I feel like it makes my eyes appear a little bit bigger. Now this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please hit the like button and comment down below what looks you would like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.